Video editing has become the heartbeat of short-form content. With Reels, Shorts, and TikToks everywhere, creators know they have got just 3 seconds to grab that attention. If the edit doesn't hook instantly, viewers scroll away. But here's the twist. Editing a video can take hours, while explaining these editing trends in a blog takes less than 3 minutes with Autoblogging.ai. Let me show you how. Here's the blog that I generated in under 3 minutes with complete headings, visuals, images, infographics, all added. And I did not write anything manually, and let me show you how I did this using Autoblogging.ai step by step. After you log in, on your left panel, there are going to be different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it guides me through every setting step by step. Article title, I'm going to enter here editing style, hooking viewers in under 3 seconds. Next, article language. Now, Autoblogging supports 30 languages. So if your audience is global, let's say Spanish, French, Hindi, German, you can create localized blogs instantly. But for this one, I'm keeping it English. For the article length, I'm going to keep it long because this type of blog needs detailed explanation and examples and not just a quick overview. But here's what others do. Short is ideal for snackable updates, and medium it gives a balanced detail with easy readability. Next, type of article. Here I'm going to pick listicle because editing style works best when shown as a numbered breakdowns. This way readers can skim through each style clearly. But here's what other formats do. Informative works like a step-by-step guide. Places organizes content around location if you're writing city or a region specific. Service bar landing page builds a business-focused layouts with sections for offers and call to action. Next, tone of voice. Now this is basically a point of view. I'm going to pick second person here so the blog speaks directly to the reader, but you can also choose first person if you're writing something about your own personal sharing experience, and third person for more neutral and a formal tone. For the writing style, I'm going to pick witty because video editing is a creative field and a playful tone makes the article fun to read. But here's what other options do. Auto is where AI choose the most appropriate style based on the article title, and less AI words makes the blog sounds more natural. Premium style 1 is it makes SEO friendly in structure. Snippet optimizer shapes the blog for Google answer boxes, and conversational is more friendly approach, and professional is more polished and a B2B approach. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimize article. Now this tightens the structure so search engine instantly understand the hierarchy of your content. FAQs turns common search queries about video editing into ready-made question and answer section inside the blog. AI images will generate visuals related to our topic and place them automatically with proper alt text in it. And infographics creates a visual summaries or a statistics breakdown, making complex information easy to grab. Next, SERP analysis. Like this is one of the most powerful tools. Think of this like doing competitors' research automatically. It scans the blogs that are already ranking on Google, figures out what structure and keywords are working for them, and then shape our article using those same strengths but with unique writing. You just have to enable this and quickly in the source context box type how you want your article to be, and you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes again. Outline from competition mirrors the skeleton of high performing article, so your blog doesn't miss any key points. External link drops in references to reliable sources which boost credibility. Add key takeaways will add a neat summary box at the end so readers who skim still get the main value. And YouTube video will add a relevant video inside your blog. Next, AI proofreading. Now this is the polished stage. It fixes grammar, improves flow, and keeps tone consistent. So you don't have to do anything manually. You just have to enable this and leave a quick note here. Next, internal linking. Now just enable this and add your domain here. Autoblogging automatically connects this new blog with the older blog post with the same particular blog title. This is best and great for SEO and for keeping readers on your site for longer. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a real human touch, you can just enable this option and a real editor would fact checks and cross check your blog entirely. and this runs on credit, so you can buy anytime from your dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here. Click on that. Your blog is ready, structured, optimized with headings, images, infographics, even a YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog with FAQs. Now, if you want to be faster next time, here's what you can do. Go to quick and single and just drop in your title here. With a fewer clicks, you can generate an article. This is just as same as Wizard. And if you want to generate 10, 20 or even 100 blog titles at once, we also have a bulk generate option, and you can even auto post them to WordPress. Video editing style may decide whether a viewer stays hooked in under 3 seconds, but writing about these trends doesn't need to take hours. With Autoblogging.ai, you can create a blog on video editing with complete SEO ready structured visuals and FAQs and YouTube videos added. Now, if you would rather skip this part, you can also try a done for you blog service where we'll handle it for you. If you found this helpful, hit a like, subscribe and comment with the next editing trend you would like me to cover next.